Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We've been in a little bit of a Hot Wheels craze. This is just, I've shown you the Beatles cars, I think, right, that I hauled. Did I show you the Beatles cars? And the Star Wars cars sets? Yeah, I'm fairly certain I showed you them in some haul. But I found several of the complete Star Wars sets and the Beatles sets. But these are, and then since then I found, my kids got all the Avengers sets and stuff like that. I haven't hauled those, but I just picked up a bunch of these last night and they haven't opened them yet, so I figured I'll show them while they're here because it's rare that they're not opened. So this is Hot Wheels 8 of 10, new for 2018, and this is the 2017 Jeep Wrangler in green. I believe I have two of these. Usually I have two of everything because otherwise my kids go ballistic. Yeah. So I have two of those. Okay. And then we have, okay, and this is the 2017 Ford Raptor 150 in the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks. It's in the yellow. And so my kids went nuts over those. And then, now this is funny. I picked up one of these a few weeks ago when I got the Avengers stuff. I didn't think my kids would be interested in it. It reminds me of a Matchbox car I had when I was a kid, which was a Volkswagen Rabbit in green and had two surfboards on the top. So I picked one up for myself. It's a then and now collection, and it's the Volkswagen Golf. Okay, so when I got it home, they both wanted one, and I was like, what? I looked it up online and I saw like there was a big demand for this car, and there's supposed to be one that they say is a mistake that's made in orange. I went back to the store, I found one made in orange. So I picked that up the other week, and then last night at this other Walmart I went to, they had at least 4 of them. So I picked up 2 more because I really like them. My kids now each have one. So this is the then and now, and I have them. Someone said it was a mistake they made it in orange. I don't know, but I have the orange one too. Let me know if you know. This is the Volkswagen Golf. Picked up 2 more of those. The Dodge Charger Drift from the Hot Wheels Metro collection, 2 of those. It's Pursuit. Okay. And then I picked up 2 of these. This is the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics, the Nissan Fairlady 2. And 2 of those. And then I got these Lamborghinis. Let's see. Hot Wheel Exotics, Lamborghini Huracan LP 622 Super Truth. And it's in white and red. I have 2 of these, I know. Let's see. Yeah, here's the second one. Okay, and then this is a Chevy Silverado truck, and I think there's one of these because one of my sons needed it, the other one had it. Let's see what else we got. Got 2 of these. This is the Hot Wheels Daredevils, the Rally Cat, and I know I have 2 of those. Bingo. Okay, and then this is the Porsche Spyder, new for 2018, factory fresh. So, picked up 2 of those. I believe that's a 1998. Okay. Then I have the Datsun 620. This is one I picked up for myself because my brother used to have this truck when I was a kid, and it was bright green. Pictures of it. So this is Hot Wheel Hot Trucks Datsun 620. And then we got 2 of these. This is the McLaren from the Hot Wheel Exotics, and 2 of those. Okay. Okay, and then picked up one of these. I picked up one the other day. My other son needed one. Hot Wheel Speed Graphics. This is the Ford F-150 truck. Okay, and then this is another one we needed to pick up. This is the Then and Now, and this is the custom 15 Ford Mustang. So yeah, we were having an issue because only one had one, so we got that. And my son, one of them wanted this one, the Chevy Blazer 4x4. And that is, it's a team, let's see, it has a football on there, so Hot Wheels Sports Collection. Not sure who that is. Okay, and then we have this Mustang, which is a 68 from the Tuned collection. Okay, and then I have this Tuned collection as well, Volkswagen Beetle. And then this is mine. This is from the Hot Wheels Art Cars, and this is the Cool Combi. I love Volkswagen buses and anything that's like peace sign and Woodstock, because we live near the original Woodstock site. Okay, so I got that. Then this was the 99 Corvette convertible, and this is from the Then and Now. I believe that's one we had to get because only one had one. Okay, then we have a McLaren 7205 from the Factory Fresh, and this is new for 2018. Checkmate Fandango. Okay, and then we have the Twin Mill from the Hot Wheels Exotics. Okay, and this is one we had to buy another one of because we already got one for one son. This is Justice League DC, the Justice League Batmobile, new for 2018, 1 of 5. I picked up a bunch of Justice League stuff the last time my kids opened it all up. Okay. Now, this is the Blast-Ons Moto Hot Wheel Moto. Okay. Okay, this is another one we had to pick up. The Lamborghini Countach from the Tune collection. Because one son had one son didn't. This is other one son had one son didn't. This is a Muscle Mania, the 2015 Ford Mustang convertible. Okay. And this is a 2017 Camaro from the Muscle Mania in green. And this is another one we had to get. Okay, for one. And then this is the Beat All from the Street Beats. Okay, and then we have the Speedy Perez from the Legends of Speed. Okay, and the 2005 Corvette from the Tune collection. And then this is the custom Acura Integra. I think it says 2001 or 3, I'm not sure. Night Burners collection. Okay, and that's what I have here. Like I said, they got into everything else I had. Let me know if there's anything that you're looking for, anything that's hard to find, any information about anything. If you know anything about that Then and Now being in the yellow and the orange, let me know that. And let me know what your favorite car is, or if you have one that's hard to find. That's here. I'd love to know. In your area, I always like to know what it is. And like I said, I think I've shown you the Beatles. Let me know if I haven't shown you all the Beatles cars and all the Star Wars cars, because I have those. But anyway, I see two more right across from me, so hang on. This is another one of the Hot Wheel art cars. And the R on the top. This is the Amazon Hot Wheel art car. And this is a Morris Mini with 333 right there on it, from the Hot Wheels Snowstormers. Let's pick that up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one. Please like, subscribe, and share if you like this video. Bye bye.